Easy's doing a breakdance. So 2-minute tips. So reason why I brought Izzy here, so if Izzy stand there, he'll see just behind Izzy, you can see the sun coming in from that direction. I'll turn you guys that way. You'll see better. So you see the sun coming in from that direction. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you 2 shots. I'm going to show you why it's helpful to have a fill flash or a fill light of some sort. You can use a beauty dish, or you can use a small fill flash or something bigger, but you can also use a reflector, like a 5-in-1 reflector as well. So this is the first shot without the flash. And then I'm gonna stick the flash on and show you what the difference is. Go. But yeah, so that's how easily you can transfer a really dull image into something that's very poppy, and I'm absolutely loving the fact that the sun's come out even more right now. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll catch you in the next one.